Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an English summary using an easy method. This approach simplifies the process into 3 main steps, helping you create effective summaries quickly. We will cover understanding the original text, identifying key information, and then drafting and refining your summary. By following these straightforward guidelines, you can confidently summarize any document, saving you time and effort. Let's dive right in and get started on mastering this essential skill. The first crucial step is to thoroughly read and understand the original text. I recommend reading it at least 2 times, the first read-through for general understanding, and the second for deeper comprehension. As you read, focus on the main arguments presented and the overall message the author intends to convey. Don't hesitate to look up any words you don't know, as a complete understanding of the vocabulary is essential for an accurate summary. This foundational step sets you up for success. Next, it's time to identify the key information. This involves actively engaging with the text to pinpoint the most important points. Try highlighting or underlining the topic sentence of each paragraph, as these often contain the core idea. Then, in your own words, jot down the main ideas and any crucial supporting facts. It's important to differentiate between essential information and less critical examples or anecdotes. Aim to extract about 1/3 of the original text content in your notes. Finally, we move to drafting and refining your summary. Begin by writing a first draft using the key points you've identified, ensuring a smooth flow between sentences and paragraphs. Your summary should typically be about 1/4 to 1/3 the length of the original text. Once drafted, carefully review it for clarity, conciseness, and any grammatical errors. Most importantly, confirm that your summary accurately reflects the original author's message without adding your own opinions. A thorough review ensures a high-quality final product.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.